Hi, this is Miss Korea, and I'm here to introduce you to the AVID 9 freshman seminar class at Santa Monica High School. This class, first and foremost, is a class about making informed choices, whether it be the AVID component or the freshman seminar component. Both classes are targeted. The objective is for students to become informed citizens who can make the best decisions for themselves. First, AVID, for those of you who do not know, is a program geared to get students into a four-year college. There is a target audience, however, or target students. They can be first-generation college students, meaning their parents did not go to college. Or maybe they're from a low-income family and don't have the resources to get a tutor, for example. Or maybe the student is a part of a historically underrepresented group at colleges. Or maybe they're none of the above, but at some point, someone thought that student just needed a little extra help getting into college. The second half of freshman seminar the second half of the course is freshman seminar. The first semester is focused on college and career, which is very AVID itself. The second semester is health and facing history. From the Facing History in Ourselves curriculum, we specifically choose to learn the American eugenics movement. And we use what we learned from the American eugenics movement to do our own civic action project second semester. This is an example of some of the college research we did in AVID using Naviance, which is a program that the school uses all 4 years. We also used Naviance to look at different careers. We focused on one here in this See What's Under the Vikings Disguise to learn more about a career that they were interested in. And these were displayed in the hallway and are still displayed in the hallway right outside the classroom. Second semester, we begin with health. We learn about drugs, alcohol, tobacco, addiction. We then go to learn about sex education, beginning with healthy relationships, gender, sexuality, physical anatomy, pregnancy, birth control, sexually transmitted infections, including HIV/AIDS, and of course, abstinence. All of this should lead to healthy decision-making for them.
People like me.
People like me.
People like me.
People like me don't go to college.
Nobody's ever gonna convince me that I'm gonna be somebody someday.
Street cred, it's more valuable to me than my education.
My life will be defined by those who doubt me.
I know there are some out there looking up to me.
I'll let those AP and honors students be future leaders and policymakers.
Because me, I'm just one out of a long line of statistics.
Who knows, maybe I'll even study.
But it won't affect how my life is going to turn out.
People tell me I can't succeed because they can't see past my skin color or how I talk.
They say I don't care enough to be a first-generation college student.
I am the last person in my family that's going to be successful.
I'm aware of the skills and talents I possess.
This is my destiny.
That was me before AVID helped me see my potential, believe in myself, and turn all of that around. And now,
this is my destiny.
I am aware of the skills and talents I possess to be successful.
I am the last person in my family that's ever going to be a first-generation college student.
I don't care enough, they say. It's because they can't see past my skin color or how I talk.
People tell me I can't succeed, but it won't affect how my life is going to turn out.
Who knows? Maybe I'll even study statistics.
because me, I'm just one out of a long line of future leaders and policymakers.
I'll let those AP and honor students be looking up to me.
I know there are some out there, those who doubt me.
My life will be defined by my education.
It's more valuable to me than street cred.
I'm gonna be somebody someday.
Nobody's ever gonna convince me that people like me don't go to college.
I hope hope you enjoyed that video by AVID. Let's watch a video from freshman seminar of facing history. All right, so that was a little video introduction of facing history. I like to think that this class is making a difference. Here we have a picture of our current 9th grade AVID students who are on honor roll. If you can see, we have more students who are on high honor roll because they earned a GPA of 3.5 or higher their first semester here at Samo High. Then we have the students, the 6 students who are on regular honor roll for their GPAs of 3.0 to 3.49, which is still a great recognition, a great accomplishment. Again, my name is Emily Correa, and if you'd like to reach me, you may email me at ecorrea@smmusd.org. I can also be reached on the school phone. My extension is 71294. And if you are on Twitter, or still on Twitter, that's my handle there. It was nice talking to you.